Hi there, I'm Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service in Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I'm showing off the Riccar R10CV SupraLite. This vacuum cleaner runs up to 50 minutes, has a 44 volt lithium battery, and it detaches. In case you wanted to run a backup, it's very easy to take on and off. Very nice carrying handle. On-off switch right here at your fingertips. Lays completely flat. Huge bag. Metal full-size brush roll, replaceable strip brushes, soft rubber wheels, and a squeegee to keep the dirt from flickering back on hard surfaces. If you'd like to demo this vacuum, we keep it in stock at 1523 Bardstown Road, right here in the Highlands.